Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, children of all ages, I have asked you to change these mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then I had a great question from one of my best students asking me why you would like to do that. I'm not going to explain that right this second, but I will at a later time. So we are going to, I'm not going to get all of them because that's just silly. If you know how to do them, you know how to do them. So we'll do some of them. Let's, all right, Natalie, pick one for me to erase. Pick one for me to erase. All right. Caroline, pick one for me to erase.
The second one.
All right. We're going to get all the ones that people already had done. Jabril, pick one for me to erase.
Last one.
The last one. And I'm going to erase one more. Matthew B. 3 and 11/15. All right. So we're going to do these four. We're going to go over these four. Please follow along without being off task. All right, so we're going to start with 3 2/5. We're going to start with 3 2/5. Now we have notes in our journal that we can use. We have practice problems that we could do. We have our denominator times our whole number, add our numerator, and that's going to stay over our denominator. Evelyn, what's 3 times 5?
15.
Plus 2? 15 plus 2? 17. And the denominator stays the same. So 17/5 is equivalent to 3 2/5. 17/5 is equivalent to 3 2/5. I know, right? All right, let's do. So we've done this one. We're taking mixed numbers and changing to improper fractions. Let's take 8 7/12. And we're going to change it to an improper fraction. Marilyn, tell me what I do.
You multiply the denominator and the whole number. Which is 96.
Okay, 96.
Plus 7 is the numerator. Equals. And then that equals
103.
Yeah, and then add the denominator you had.
103 over 12. Let's see, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103. It is 103 over 12. As long as I counted with my fingers correctly. Luna? Here, just raise your hand. All right. Let's look at 4 2/7. 4 2/7. So, Luna, tell me what to do.
So you multiply 7 times 4,
Okay,
which equals 28.
okay,
Then you add 2, which equals 30, and which equals 37.
37. All right, so that was 4 2/7. Let's do 7 7/9. 7 7/9. let's go with Andres. Tell me what to do for 7 and 7/9.
Multiply the whole number by the denominator.
Okay, so 9 times 7. And then do what?
And then add the numerator.
So 63 plus 7 is 70. And then
the denominator.
okay, so 79. 79. Man, you guys rocked this. Very good. Now let's answer this very intelligent young lady's question. Why do we need to do this? And we're going to answer that by looking at this problem. Seven and 1/8, subtract 5 and 3/4. So let me call Victoria. I need to find a common denominator. Can you help me find a common denominator? 8. Okay, and she is correct. So I have 7 and 1/8 minus 5 and 3/4. We need to change. So our denominators are over 8. We have 7 and 1/8 minus 5 and something over 8. Victoria, what do I multiply by 4 to get 8? If I multiply my denominator by 2, I must multiply my numerator by 2. And I get 5 and 6/8. So now I have 7 and 1/8 minus 5 and 6/8. What is my problem there, Victoria?
You can't subtract 6 from 1.
Good. I can't subtract 6 from 1. I can't. Now there are other ways to do this, but I'm going to show you this way since you guys were so awesome at being able to subtract mixed number, or to change mixed numbers to improper fractions. So we're going to change each of these to an improper fraction. Still on the video, okay? So 8 times 7 is what? Anyone? 8 times 7? 56. Plus 1? 57. So we have 57/8. 8 times 5?
8 times 5.
40 plus 6? 46/8. Now, can I subtract those fractions?
Yes.
Yes. So 57 minus 46 is 11/8. So I have the fraction 11/8, which is which kind? What kind of fraction is that? Improper fraction. So I can divide 8 into 11. Victoria, how many times does 8 go into 11? 1 time. Okay, can you two stop? 1 times 8 is 8. 11 subtract 8 is 3. So 1 remainder 3, which equals 1 and 3/8. So that, my friends, is why you would want to do this. That is one reason you would want to do this. There are others, but you know what? I'm just showing you this one right now. Because I can't subtract it the way it's written. I'll show you the other way later. Boom! Shakalaka. Peace out. God bless. Love you. Do something kind today. Subscribe and save the beast.